And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, starting out with today, expecting a cloudy day overall. Temperatures stuck in the 30s for pretty much the entire day. Just barely rising above that freezing mark for just a little bit today, but thanks to the cloud cover, unfortunately, we're not going to be getting very much higher than 33 degrees for much of today, and even by this evening, watching out for that snow getting in here as that system has approached us later on this evening, as those winds also begin to increase later on this evening too. But overall, temperatures looking at 31 to 35 degrees today, so a little colder compared to yesterday, but still just slightly below the average high of 38 degrees. Now as we head towards tomorrow though, looking at a snowy day, snow around all day long, but look at these wind chills in the 20s. And again, the primary reason for that is thanks to the wind, as the wind will be quite strong throughout the course of Friday. So blustery and snowy day expected as we do close out the week tomorrow with highs from 32 to 36 degrees. So a cold Friday ahead for you, and also a snowy one too. Now as we head towards later on this morning, this is 8 a.m. You can see the clouds pretty much in place. Although this model seems to be pretty optimistic with showing some sunshine, but I do think that we're going to be mainly cloudy for the majority of the day. But any sun peaks that we do get could slowly help those temperatures. But again, I don't think that will be the case of today, especially with all that cloud cover expected to be hanging around throughout the course of the day. But as we head towards this evening, this is when we do expect the changes to arrive, with some snowfall beginning to move in from our northwest by later on this evening. This is 10 o'clock. You can see the snow showers already over our viewing area, and they'll continue to become more widespread as we head throughout the course of the night. You can see 1 o'clock, still some snow showers, and even as we head towards later on tomorrow morning, some scattered snow showers all around the viewing area, as we do expect quite a slick morning, as unfortunately, with those temperatures dropping below freezing, that could mean some slick road conditions first thing Friday morning. So if you're traveling Friday morning, you may have to watch out for some slick road conditions, as with any snowfall we do happen to get, that could make the roads pretty slick, and any areas such as bridges or even overpasses can become quite slick. So make sure you're extra careful with that going on Friday, and not just for Friday morning itself, but for Friday afternoon, as we do expect some more snow showers around from time to time. May have some of those blinding snow bursts coming in here, especially during the afternoon and evening, as that lake effect snow really gets going by later on Friday evening and into Saturday morning. And by Saturday morning, we're expecting anywhere from about a half inch of snowfall down to the southwest to almost just over an inch, if not 2 inches in some parts of our viewing areas. A lot of this though will be mainly lake effect snow, as with the lake effect snow developing, we could see maybe some areas pick up a lot more snowfall, but generally everyone will see at least closer to an inch of snowfall, especially with the system coming in here for your Friday. Now as we do head towards Saturday itself, expecting a couple more flurries in the forecast, but nothing to worry about for Saturday, just the wind around. But for Sunday, looking at a nice dry day, a cold one. But as we head towards Monday into Tuesday, our next system develops, rain becoming likely on Tuesday, Christmas Eve, and even for Christmas Day, cloudy with a few showers around, and then even past Christmas, still some more rainfall as a warm pattern continues overhead for much of the viewing area. And as we head towards next week of Christmas, this is the updated outlook that I just updated just a bit ago. You can see rain is still expected for us, snow off to our north, and then some storms down to our south for the time being. But overall, again, active next several days. Winter begins on Saturday at 4:21 a.m. Again, a cold day, 32 degrees on Sunday. Rain becoming likely late Monday after a wintry mix, and then rain for the rest of next week.